In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into settings by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that, and look for this shortcut with a padlock. As you can see, mine is blue, but when I click, it turns white and the whole shortcut is gray. That means that auto rotation is now enabled. Why it looks like that is because it's not actually auto rotation. This feature is called orientation lock, and when you enable it, it will lock your screen orientation in a current one. So to enable auto rotation, your shortcut needs to be gray. To switch it off, it needs to be white with a blue padlock, which, as you can see, is closed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!